Nityanandam, the Nitya Sandesha Patrika on behalf of female Apat Sannyasis for January 17th, 2021 is offered now. We present these offerings at the lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, with deep love and gratitude. First, Ma Deborah Cherry from Canada, offering one daily report for 17th January 2021 in Unclutching on behalf of 13 Apat Sannyasis. Also, a cumulative summary from May 2020 to January 2021 for 175 days of unclutching meditation. Also, 14 Facebook posts made to the Apat Sannyas Facebook page. Further, Ma has conducted one session enriching 6 lives, 4 sessions for groups in Third Eye Healing and Life Solutions, enriching 34 lives, 24 causing calls, and 29 social media shares. Next, Ma Paramashiva Priya from United States of America, one unclutching session conducted, enriching 5 lives, and 2 group sessions for Nityananda Yoga, enriching 3 lives, 15 screenshots taken and shared for live darshans, and 61 days worth of report for November and December 2020. Next is Ma Punita Nanda from Norway, conducting one session of unclutching meditation, enriching 2 lives, and 1 group session, the Paramashiva Dhyana Mantra, enriching 6 lives. Ma Sakala from USA conducted one unclutching meditation session, enriching 3 lives, with 24 calls and follow-ups causing for Paramashivoham level 2. Ma was also the co-acharya for 12 sessions in Paramashivoham level 2. Next is Ma Pushkala from USA, conducting one session of unclutching, enriching 3 lives, and conducting 3 Zoom sessions in groups for Vakyartha Sadas, Power Manifestation, and Third Eye Healing, enriching 6 lives. Created 10 landing pages for Kailasa's Nityananda Hindu University, and 4 is the count for content creation and pages. Next, Ma Yoganyana from France conducted 2 sessions in French in the Akhanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna, unclutching meditation, enriching 6 lives, conducted 3 Zoom sessions, enriching 16 lives, and had a total of 13 enriching conversations. Next, Ma Mahajaya from USA conducted 1 session in the Akhanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna, enriching 2 lives, 1 group yoga session, enriching 5 lives, and 4 enriching and causing calls for Paramashivoham level 2, uploading 1 video to YouTube. Ma Kela from USA conducted 1 session of unclutching, enriching 3 lives, 1 yoga session, enriching 2 lives, made 18 social media shares, and 5 causing calls. Ma Aishwarya from India conducted 2 unclutching sessions, enriching 6 lives, took the transcription of live satsang gist, created and shared 45 social media posts, had 16 enriching conversations as part of the e-embassy for proclamation letters, causing 1, and 3 causing conversations for Paramashivoham level 2, with successfully causing 2. Ma Eva from Sweden conducted 1 unclutching session, enriching 3 lives, 1 group yoga session, enriching 2 lives, 18 social media shares, and made 5 causing calls. Ma Anna from Germany conducted 1 session of unclutching meditation, enriching 3 lives, shared the satsang in Latino and German Sangha groups on Facebook and Messenger 5 times, conducted 1 healing session, enriching 1 life, and 1 third eye solution power manifestation session, enriching 1 life. Ma Anna from Slovenia conducted 1 unclutching meditation session with enriching 3 lives and made 2 social media posts and shares. With this, we conclude the Sandesha Patrika for today. Thank you, Swamiji. Nityanandam.